everyone, Sam from Original Garage Moto. Today we're going to talk about our OG T-Sport fairing kits for Harley models and some of the unique features and different options we offer. Our T-Sport fairing kit reproduces the classic FXDXT fairing and is available for many models. Our kits include everything you need to bolt right onto your bike and improve wind deflection. Our kit features an ABS injection molded fairing shell with a gloss black finish, which is clear coated, so you don't have to paint your fairing if you have a black bike. We offer a wide range of windshield options, including 12 and 15-inch Recurve windshield options available in multiple colors: dark smoke, clear, high visibility orange, purple, neon, blue, and red. Our kits include solid 1 1/8 black powder-coated steel support bracket and also include fully CNC machine complete billet headlight bracket assembly. Our windshield angle is fully adjustable, utilizing our billet windshield arms and anti-buffeting kit. Some of our kits also include a full LED headlight upgrade and come as complete bolt-on packages. Our Softail Lowrider S and Sportlight kit will fit all 2020 to present Softail FXLRS and FLSB models. These kits are available for the OEM headlight options and also with our OG LED headlight options. For the FXLRS models only, we also offer color match fairing options that are professionally painted locally. We're adding new colors option every year to follow the HD color option as much as we can. Our Softail 18 Plus kit will fit all 2018 to present Softail Lowrider, FXLR, Street Bob, FXBB, and Standard models. And for those models, we will include our full OG LED headlight option as well. Our OG Softail Fat Bob kit will fit all Softail Fat Bob FXFB models from 2018 to present. These kits will replace the stock horizontal headlight for a more conventional round 5 3/4 LED headlights and relocate the headlight assembly to deliver the same T-Sport classic look. Finally, our base T-Sport fairing kit will fit most Dyna, early and late models, FXRs, and Sportster models. Alright guys, if you have any question regarding some of these products, please feel free to call us or email us at any time. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.